I'm hoping that more educators will look and go, hey, I've got this tool I can use, and it's very user-friendly, and especially in a distance learning setting, it's really good because you can't reach for the screen and go, push this button, push this button. So I appreciate that. My name's Cathy Adams, and I teach digital electronics for PLTW. With digital electronics, a lot of the students don't have any background. Some of the material is very overwhelming for them. For me, the more ways I can give the students to actually get their hands on and work on this, I think the better their experience is. With Upverter, the units that we've used have impacted the students most in allowing us to go over some topics that I had introduced, but they hadn't had enough practice on. It gave them the opportunity to go back through and do additional practice. I really like the fact that they could move at their own pace and that the units are broken into smaller blocks and they have checks along the way so that the students can see where they are. And if they need help, they can go back and get it. Lack of girls and women moving forward in technology is surprisingly low. Electronics, engineering, they're not fields that a lot of girls even consider. They just don't think that's the field for them. And this kind of gives them the opportunity to see that, they are just as good at it, sometimes better than some of the boys are. So I hope it opens some eyes. It will be nice to see that. I thank you again for the opportunity to use the program. I really am enjoying it. So.